In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your fonts in Photoshop without closing and reopening the app. This is a really helpful Photoshop tip, especially if you've just installed a new font and it's not showing up yet, or if your font list feels slow, delayed, or simply isn't updating the way it should. Instead of restarting Photoshop and interrupting your workflow, you can use a quick reset inside the character panel to force things to refresh. To get started, choose the Type tool and click anywhere inside your document. This activates the text settings and makes it easier to check the font options directly. Once you've done that, open the font drop-down list and take a look. If you notice that your newly installed fonts are missing, or the list is taking longer than usual to load, that's a good sign that the panel may need a refresh. Next, go up to the window menu and choose Character. This will open the character panel if it isn't already visible on your screen. The character panel controls important text settings in Photoshop, including the font display, so this is where the refresh happens. You can also access the same option by clicking the small panel menu in the top right corner of the character panel. It appears as 3 horizontal lines. Once you open that menu, look for the option called Reset Character and click it. When you choose Reset Character, Photoshop refreshes the character settings and forces that panel to update. This can help the font list reload properly without needing to restart the entire application. It's a simple action, but it can fix a surprisingly common issue and save you a lot of time. After the reset is complete, go back and check the font list again. See whether your newly installed fonts now appear correctly or whether the delay has improved. In many cases, this quick reset is enough to get things working normally again. This is one of those small Photoshop tricks that can make a big difference during a busy editing session. If you work with a lot of typefaces or often install new fonts, knowing how to refresh the character panel can help you stay focused and keep your project moving without unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for watching, and keep learning these quick Photoshop tips to work faster, solve common problems, and make your editing experience even more efficient.